So guys, for the first step, you want to install this application called KDE Connect on both your devices. You can get it from the Microsoft Store. So we're going to go to search and type in Microsoft Store. Click on it. We're going to search for KDE Connect. Click on it. You want to find this app right here, KDE Connect. Click on it. And then you want to install this. You want to install this on both your devices. Make sure that both your devices are on the same network. And now you want to open KDE Connect on both your computers. I've got to open on my computer and on my laptop. I'm going to show you my laptop point of view in a second. But now it's already found my laptop right here. Under available, it should be showing your other device. If it doesn't show, then you want to click on refresh until it shows. I'm on my laptop and I can see my computer right here. It's detected it. If you don't see anything, then click on refresh on both your devices. And make sure that it's on the same network. Now I'm going to connect to my computer from my laptop. So I'm going to click on my computer and then click on pair. And now on my computer, I'm going to click on my laptop and then click on pair. They've now both been connected. Now to share a file, just click on share file. Find the file that you want to share, double click on it. It's then going to be sent to your other device, which will then appear in your downloads folder. Another way to share a file is by right clicking on it and then click on open with and then select KDE Connect. If you don't see it, then click on choose another app and then you want to select KDE Connect. Once this comes up, select your other computer and then click on OK. It's now going to be sent to that computer's download folder. To go into your computer's download folder, you want to go to search and type in File Explorer, click on it. And now once you're on this, on the left hand side, click on downloads. I'm now back on my laptop and here's the file that I sent over from my computer to my laptop. That's how you do it.